Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we will see how to accept credit card payment on PayPal. So without further ado, let's just jump right to it. First of all, as soon as you open the app, you will be at this page which is dashboard for your account. And all you have to do is go over to pay and get pin and press that. Once you do it, you will see a bunch of options over here. And under the accept payments option, just go over to PayPal buttons and click that. And over here, you can set up a smart button. This is basically an automated payment option which will generate a link that you can give to your customers so that they can send you the payment as soon as they click that link. So here we have two options, either smart subscribe or smart buttons. So we want smart buttons, and here you can customize the smart payment button, which is essentially the link you will be giving to the customers. So as you can see over here, you can select the item you are selling. So if it's fixed 5, we'll do that. And for the item description, you can pick this, and here you can set the price for which they will be charged for. So for example, if it's 100 USD, we will go with 100 USD, and then shipping fee, for example 20, and then tax rate 3%. It can be anything. These are the variables which you will be selecting for your card. And here you can select the layout for your button if you're okay with all this. And to your right, as you can see, there is the option to select it either desktop or mobile. It won't matter which one, you can select either. All you have to do is click the copy code. Now this code is what you will be giving to your customers so that they can press that link and send you the money through their credit card. And just like that, it's done. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Cheers.